All right, so answers for this one. I wanted you to try this on your own, but I will walk you through it if you need a little more assistance. So this is number 1, 7x cubed minus x squared over 2x cubed. You want to pull out the greatest common factor out of the numerator and the denominator. So what they share in common, you can see that all three pieces share an x squared. So I'm going to pull out an x squared. That leaves a 7x minus 1 over, we've got the x squared, and then what's left is a 2x. Now I'm going to cancel out those x squareds, and now I see that my answer is 7x minus 1 over 2x. All right, the second one is x squared plus 13x plus 36 over x squared minus 7x plus 10. Now we need to go ahead and factor the numerator and the denominator if I can speak. Using that diamond method, let's see what multiplies to be 36. That adds up to be 13. There are a lot of factors of 36, but 9 and 4 add up to 13 and multiply to get 36. So that means I've got x plus 9 and an x plus 4. Then in the denominator, I've got 10 and then negative 7. So what's going to be multiplied? Well, we've got a 10 that's getting multiplied, and then what's getting added together is negative 7. That means I've got negative 2 and negative 5. And once you get to here, you can actually see that this is as simplified as it can go. So this is the final answer, or this is the final answer. You cannot simplify it down anymore, but you must factor first to check to see what you can simplify it down to and what the factors are in case you can simplify it. But as we saw, we cannot. So number three is now using the multiplication concept. So we've got x squared minus 4x over x minus 1 times x squared plus 3x minus 4 over 2x. So I'm going to erase this scratch work so I have some more room to work with. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and factor the numerator and the denominator. I'm going to draw a little squiggly, and I'm going to keep working over here. So if I factor out that numerator on the front, I pull an x out, and I have an x minus 4 left, and then I have an x minus 1. Now, when I multiply it together, basically I'm connecting that big long line. So now I've got all the factors together. So that means I have a 2x on the bottom. And then on the top, factoring that out using the diamond method, what multiplies to be negative 4 that adds up to be a positive 3? Well, that's going to be a positive 4 and a negative 1. So that gives me x plus 4, x minus 1. So now we have all the factors set. We just go ahead and cancel things out in common. X minus 1's cancel, and this x cancels. So now I have x minus 4, x plus 4 over 2, which that turns into x squared minus 16 over 2, and that's all you can do.